do know why I called you here, right?
No, I don't, sir.
Are you kidding me right now? No, are you seriously? You pissed in the chocolate fountain. Amor, we are a family restaurant.
Look, boss man, it was an honest mistake. The restrooms were all locked, and so I just kind of went.
Amor, you don't do that. What do you have to say for yourself?
Could we just eat around the parts?
Get out.
Can I at least get a severance package?
You can take all the chocolate in the fountain.
Can I just keep a job for once? Like, is there anything I can do in this life without messing everything up? I wonder what I can do now. I'm gonna be like you one day. Mom, I know what I want to be when I grow up.
What?
A Roomba. Good times, good times. Mom, I know what I'm finally gonna do.
Oh, I'm glad you finally figured it out for yourself. So?
I'm gonna be a Roomba. It doesn't matter what they say. I finally know what I want to do in life. I'm gonna follow my dreams.
Whoa, you can do it! Yeah!
Yeah!
Another one!
All right! Woo! Yeah!
Oh!
I'm ready. My first paid customer. Boy, will he be excited to see me. This is what my training was for, and now I'm here to deliver.
Are you the Roomba rent? What do you want?
I'm here to clean.
Look, man, just give me the Roomba and leave.
I am the Roomba.
What the hell?
Listen, we need to talk. So, I've thought about this a lot, and if we're gonna stay together, I'm gonna keep pursuing what I'm pursuing. It's gonna take up more and more of my time. We're gonna get less and less time together. When you do, I'll just be distracted, upset, and I'll be cleaning through things in my mind. Eventually, you'll just grow to resent me for it, and at a certain point, you'll ask me to ease up on the sweeping and spend more time with you, but I won't be able to. And I'll start to resent you for even asking me that. I'll feel like you're dragging me down, and then you'll feel like you don't even matter to me anymore. And we'll just hate each other. And so, I think we should just cut it off cleanly now for those reasons. I want to be a Roomba.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like a Roomba, the little circle thing.
You mean like those vacuum cleaning robots that are on the floor?
Yeah.
Why have I never seen you?
Wait, can you pay for this? I kinda don't have a job.
Stop. I got a real Roomba this time. You don't need to come and do your freaky thing anymore.
What? No. She's beautiful. Will you marry me? No.
For the first time in my life, I knew what I was doing. I was happy. For once in my life, I had a purpose. I guess I never was cut out to be a Roomba. My love, my one true love, she replaced me.
Aren't you a bit young to be a bartender?
Yeah. Aren't you a bit young to be drinking?
Whatever.
So, what's your poison?
Usually I'm a Mountain Dew guy, but tonight seems like the night for some rum and vodka.
Gotcha, I gotcha.
I mean, it's no Mountain Dew, but it'll do. Hit me with another one. It's back to job hunting.
I love Roomba, 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 Roomba.
No, this is my dream. I'll follow it to the end.